Chapter 5. Dead List Animals. Dead list animals are animals that can cause serious harm or death to humans, either by attack, venom, or disease. Surprisingly, the mosquito is considered the deadliest animal because it spread dangerous diseases like malaria and dengue. Snakes are also deadly due to their poisonous bite. Large animals such as crocodiles, lions, and sharks can be dangerous because of their strength and hunting skills. Some animals kill directly and others harm humans indirectly by spreading infections. Learning about these animals help us stay alert, respect wildlife, and understand the importance of safety and prevention.